In this video, I'll show you how to change your display name on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone and tap the profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen. From here, select Edit Profile to open your personal information settings. Now, tap on your full name field. This is where you can update your display name. You can type in your new name, whether it's your real name or a display name you prefer to use, and then tap Save to confirm your changes. If you also want to change your cash tag, that's possible too. Simply go back to the profile settings and tap on your cash tag. This is your unique username that others can use to send you money. Keep in mind that you can only change your cash tag 2 times, so choose carefully. Once you've decided on a new one, tap Save, and your new cash tag will be applied to your account. After saving, you can return to the home screen and you'll see your updated display name and cash tag right away. Now, when someone views your profile or sends you money, they'll see your new name and tag instantly. And that's it. That's how you can change your display name and even your cash tag on Cash App quickly and easily.